everyone, and I Love Natural Hair, aka Michelle, and in today's video I'm gonna be unboxing my January Boxy Charm. And this is the card. And the card says Boxy Charm Fresh Start. So it's January, it's a new year, so it's a fresh start. And I got 5 products in my Boxy Charm this month. And the first one is Cistern London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. And this is the packaging. Pink, one of my favorite colors. And this is what it looks like. Wait, pretty packaging. And ooh, these are pretty. I love this. Look at that, guys. And it comes with a beautiful mirror. This is beautiful. I love these colors. I could do something with them. I like this gold one. See? Oh, nice. These are vibrant colors. Look at that, guys. Ooh. Very vibrant. I love these colors. I'm excited about this month's box. Ooh, it's beautiful. And this retails for $30. That's not bad. If I have to buy this, I would buy this one again. It's pretty. And the next one is Farmacy Deep Sweet Pore Cleansing Toner. And this is what the box looks like. So yeah, that's what the box looks like. And this is the toner. Smell it. Smells refreshing. Yeah, it smells really refreshing. So it's a pore cleansing toner with morning papaya. Oh, that sounds good. So with this, how I would use it, I would use it to wipe my makeup off, because I have so many toners, and I could use it as a toner too, because I have so many of those. And the price for the toner is $28. And the next one is Geller HI-Def Glow Illumination Duo Heart of Gold. And this is a Geller. And this is beautiful. Check it out. Look at that. And it has a nice mirror to it too. It's pretty. I don't know how to swatch it here. Okay, let's put it here. I don't want to put it on my face because I already have makeup on. It's not showing really. You can hardly see it on my arm. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to use a lot of this. The colors are pretty. I like it. And this retails for $33. And the next one is Dr. Brandt Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. And this is the eye cream. And this is what it looks like. And let's see. So it says, it feels very moisturizing. Ooh, it feels really silky. So it says to use it in the morning and at night. So I will use it at night when I go to bed. And then when I wake up in the morning, I'll put it on my eyes before I put my makeup on. And the last product that I have is, oh wait, I didn't tell you the price of the Dr. Brandt. The price for the Dr. Brandt is $82. What? No, sir. I'm glad that I got these in my box. The box is worth the price because it's $25, so it is worth it. But if I have to go out there and buy it, I would not be buying this for $82. What is it gonna do? Can you tell me? Can you please let me know? Is it gonna get rid of my... It's gonna make me perfect? I'd like to see it. Anywho, and the last but not least is the Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. So it looks like. And it says to like warm it up first on your hands before you put it on your lips. So you rub it in. This is what it looks like. Oily, as it should be. It feels really good. And it smells like menthol. And this retails for $33. So like I said, I would not pay $33 for that. That is crazy if I have to buy it. But since it's in my box and the box is worth it, well, I'm happy with my box this month, because you know how last month mine was late and I didn't appreciate that and I was really upset about it. So they make sure that I got this one early this month. So I was happy about that. So if you guys are interested in the Boxy Charm, I will link it link it below. And that's it for now, guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.